If everything goes according to plan, hopefully by the end of this video, I will have you convinced on why the E36 is the best budget drift car right now. So let's get this video started.
So first lap, I might take a sight lap and I might drift some turns. Handbrake's still not hot. I should have warmed it up, but I don't really think it's gonna lock up, but we're gonna take a sight lap. I couldn't even really tell where it goes. So I gotta like see what each turn is gonna lead to. That track is so fucking sick. Fuck. Shit's the fucking jam right now. Woo! Hot lapping too, baby. You right back in this bitch. You get way more fucking seat time on a Sunday. Yeah. out of that big.
Dude, I was thinking I wasn't gonna hit it, but I was like, Breno's in here, I got to.
It was probably just your bumper.
Yeah, probably.
Hopefully.
I don't know.
How do I take this off? I want to see.
I got you, big dog. I don't know, we're on fire or that's just tire smoke?
Nah, you're good. It's just tire smoke.
It fucking leaks me out on shit. It smells like a shit ton of oil.
Hey, he ain't do no damage.
We are out here to do damage and damage only.
May have gotten a little too carried away, too hyped out on the track. It's not bad, but clipped it a little bit, but I should be able to replace that. It's missing a little bit of trim, slightly scratched my headlight, but it's nothing too bad. Live and learn. So the track was paused for a little bit, and I went out there and found my trim. So we saved a little bit of money. It's a little bit broken in some areas. Tires still pretty good. I still got a couple laps in them. We got like another hour of driving, so I'm gonna try to get in a few more. Gonna go do a lap with the man himself, Action Spence. Me on the lead, him on the chase. Who knows? We're just gonna try to not spin. That was so fucking sick. Fuck yes. Yeah, bro, that was sick, so man. Sick. That was sick. Dude, that was so sick. Good run, brother. Appreciate it. I just did probably my best run ever. I was leading, and Spencer in his 2J E36 was chasing me, and it was so cool. Like, you could hear it so loud, like right next to my door. I was just stoked I put on at least a pretty good like lead run. I think that's it for me today. I'm gonna pack up my car, load up. We got like 30 minutes of driving left, but I'm gonna end it on that note, on that good lap with Spencer. I'm gonna street home. Pretty good cars today. Only shot E36s for the purpose of convincing y'all that this is a damn good chassis. I don't know, maybe this video convinced you to get one. Maybe it didn't. Regardless, I just wanted to show y'all how fun they are. Yeah, so I'm gonna load up, and I'm gonna go home. So I just made it home. Car made it in one piece, kind of. I'm missing one piece, and that's the one little kidney grill. That wasn't too bad. Luckily, the guys let me get my trim, and we had some killer laps. That was probably like the most fun drifting day I've ever had, and hopefully you guys liked all the angles, different angles, and having 2 GoPros. So yeah, that's the video, and that's why I was saying, luckily if everything went right, because I didn't want to jinx myself, but whole day of drifting, no issues, and as long as you prepare your car right, you can have the same amount of fun and go drifting, and you know, hopefully have a really good day just like I did. So if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like, comment down below anything you want, ask me a question, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos, because I got some cool ones coming really soon too. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.